Discover UI Toolkit VirtuaStick, the professional virtual joystick solution for Unity's UI Toolkit. In this video, we'll install the asset and explore its 5 key workflows. Let's begin. First, import UITK VirtuaStick from the Asset Store. Once installed, open the Samples tab and click Import to add the example scenes to your project. Our first demo shows the out-of-box experience. Select the VirtuaStick element in UI Builder to configure, adjust the dead zone radius, set input response curves, toggle between dynamic and fixed modes, all without writing any code. Here we demonstrate fixed position operation. Notice how the joystick remains stationary while tracking touch input within its bounds. Perfect for consistent HUD layouts. This example locks input to either horizontal or vertical movement, ideal for character controllers or menu navigation that requires constrained axis control. Customize the visual appearance using Use S, modify the knob and background colors, add border radius, apply smooth transitions. All styles update live in UI Builder. Finally, we extend the joystick through scripting, added pressure-sensitive scaling, dynamic arrow indicators. Also, the included sample shows how to override base methods. UI Toolkit VirtuaStick delivers production-grade touch controls for professional UI Toolkit projects. Elevate your mobile or editor tools with time-saving, polished inputs, available now on the Asset Store.